I was sick and tired of stepping over tools, tripping over tools, and your workbench is crowded, you're not as efficient as you could be. I have realized that a small investment goes a long ways when it comes to efficiency. And that's what had me develop the tool holder that you see here today. All right, everybody, it's Chandler Vincent, WelderMade.com. It has been a long time coming for me to explain what this tool holder can do that we are selling. I know that a lot of metal workers out there have problems with the amount of tools that they always need to have available on their workbench for the work that they're doing, and it gets in the way. It's a clutter. You're looking for tools. In my career, I got tired of doing that, and that's what had me develop the tool holder that you see here today. I have realized that a small investment into an organizing tool, it goes a long ways when it comes to efficiencies for my welding company. I have broke it down into data and time frames, watching employees or even doing studies on myself on time-lapse videos of how much time is spent in a day gathering tools, looking for tools, and it is insane. So what I found is a tool holder like this gets all the essential tools that you need for what you do as a metal worker. The way we designed it is it's versatile. Most of the tools that you're gonna find are gonna fit in a lot of these features in this tool holder. So enough me talking, let's dig into the tool holder. Let's see how many tools are on this thing. So all of them tools, all of that real estate, all of that space is now confined into one small area at the edge of your table. Right now, the way we are selling these is just raw materials. So when you get it, you don't have to worry about grinding off powder coat or anything like that to tack it to your workbench or clamp it. If you guys have interest in a powder coat option, let us know. We would love to powder coat them for you if you desire. But yeah, this is our tool holder, this is what it does, and this is why we built it. So if you have interest, WelderMade.com.